Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm super excited to introduce you to one of the most powerful features of the Zarco Discord app, the Custom Embed Builder. This tool is about to become your favorite Discord companion. First things first, click the link in the description or pinned comment to invite Zarco to your server. When you're prompted, make sure to grant all the requested permissions. Zarco is a powerful multipurpose Discord app, and it needs the right access to unlock all its features. Once Zarco is in your server, simply type /embed in any text channel and hit enter. Boom! You're now ready to start crafting custom, professional-looking embeds. Click on the author button to set up Embeds Author, which offers author text, its image URL, and its link. You can also add a title, description, embed image, thumbnail, footer, and embed color. However, in the embed, the description is required. All other options are optional. You can also add a plain message and buttons. Each option is fully customizable by clicking its corresponding button. Additionally, you can export the embed data for later use. To import the exported embed, simply run the /embed command again and use the File option to upload your saved file. Select the file and press enter. Yay! Your embed has been imported. Click the Send button to send the embed to the channel. That's all. If you're facing any issues, feel free to join Zarco HQ. The link is in the description and comments section. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. Good luck!